started our recording. It's work. So we start our today's lesson, and it's Python Introduction Part 5. So we will learn today the two topics, sets and dictionary, because it was really a long time we didn't have any class, so we already missed our time. So I think today I will give the short lecture, but we will learn two topics. Basically, we know four built-in data types in Python that use to store collections of data. So in Python, how to store, we can store our data. So it's depends on that. We know it's four types of just data we can store. And one is list, another is tuples, and sets and dictionary. So we already learned about list and tuples, so rest the two topic we will learn today. So what is sets and dictionary? So first of all, we just know about the sets. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Set is one of four built-in data types in Python used to store collections of data. So three others I already mentioned: list, tuple, and dictionary. All with different qualities and uses. A set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. So we already quite familiar with this just topic, what is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. So list, we know lists are changeable, ordered, tuples also, but here the sets, it's really unordered. That means I just create a set here, apple, banana, and cherry, and set we will write with a curly bracket. If I print this set, so it shows me the cherry comes at the beginning. It was, even though it's in the last position, but it comes at the beginning. And banana, it's true, it's okay, but apple, it was in the first position, or index 1 or index 0, but it shows us index 0, 1, 2 position. So from this example, I think all of you are just bit clear about that, what is unordered. So when we just create a set in Python and we will print it out, so the all elements or all items will be not shown in the just ordered. It will shows us not in order. So that's why if we just want to take any items from a set, we just basically in list what happened. If I want to pick a element from 0 index, so we just write 0 index, so it shows as the apple. But for set, it's really not possible. That's why we just easily know about that. Sets is bit difficult, or not bit difficult, just bit difference than list and tuples. So here also I have the things that what is unordered. Unordered means that the items in a set do not have a defined order. Set items can appear in a different order every time you use them. So it might be each and every time it shows us just new things, or so index will be every time change and cannot be referred to by index or key. So we can also make another set here, maybe my set 2 equal to, we can here give some numbers. And if we print it shows us 1 is here, it's true, But here another things we can also see, for I just write here 2 times, but here shows me only 1 times. That's reason in the set are also don't allow duplicate value. So in the set, if I just here write apple, so what shows us? Only it shows us 1 time apple, 2 times. So we also just know about that sets didn't allow the duplicate value. So if in a set we can write more than 2 times or 2 times, so it only shows us 1 time. And here that's the reason we see the 4 is shows only 1 times. But here 1, 4, 6, 7, it shows us the same thing, but however sometimes it's not happening the same things. So from this two example, maybe we are clear about that what is set. And here unchangeable, that means we cannot change any item in a set. How can we see here? Maybe I just write here this set again, and we'll have to change any item here. So, okay, just if we change any item from here, maybe apple equal to mango. So it shows us the error. From that's why we can easily know we cannot change any item from a set like tuple. And duplicate are also not allowed in set that I already explained. So here I already wrote this example, and here we can see set items can be of any data type. So we already know about that, what is data type and string type, integer type and boolean type. All can we just put together in a set. It's also possible. Maybe set 4 equal to apple 4 true, print set 4. So here shows us all types of data we can put in a single set. So here also come the true first and apple in the end, 4 in the middle. So to determine how many items in a set has use to len function, so we can also just use here the len function. We also know about that, print len. So it shows us how many items in a set. And prospect sets object with data type. Okay, we can also print the type Type is also very important things. Maybe we all already done with some examples before with type, so easily we can find what type of data is here or data type. We can easily just easily know about the type function. So it shows us it's a set. Really, maybe at the soon we will do some project. So that's why it's very important for all of us to know or to clear about those built-in data types, so we can when we will work with a project or some big data, so it might be a great help for all of us, so we will have not so much question that time. So that's the reason those things are very important to know, and I hope all those things are really very easy. So if we do some exercise at home, so it shows, I think it will be pretty easy for all of you. And what else? So it is also possible to use the set constructor to make a set. So here we can see it's the first bracket, so we can know we just write with first bracket a tuples. So here we can also change it to set. So just we put it here, the set constructor, and it convert to a set. So here we can see we can make it a set. So we can also add some new elements in a set, but we cannot change any element, like that apple cannot be orange, but we can add. So easily just this set add orange, and if we just banana, cherry, orange, or mango, so here we can see we can easily add mango inside the set. So it's also clear in the set we can add any items.
Can we make the append function? We are using add tool.
Yes, add and append really. Okay, we will try to append. Is it right? Yes, because append will not work here, so that's the reason we use here add. Sometimes it's really not for all the type. Some specific just we can see some specific argument is for some specific topics or some specific items. Not here, append will be not appropriate. So when you write append, so it shows us set object has no attribute append. That means in the set you are not able to use append. If you just only add some elements, so you have to use the add attribute. So here is the difference between set and the list. Did you clear? Maybe yes. Okay, so one another things, it's really very nice things that we really didn't saw before, that is the update function, and also something I will show later. So update, that means we have two sets, and if we just update those two sets together, it just took all the elements, like concat. So concat will be maybe here concat is also possible, but I didn't see it or I didn't write down here. So here update is look like that. It's make concat or make together. Both set will be together. So that's why we use here the update attribute to concat both set. And also we can remove any elements from a set. Just write here remove. Maybe here also del maybe not work. Here clear will be also not. So here only we can use the remove to any elements from a set. Here del I just write here, it's a new set, and del new set. So here shows us new set is not defined. That's the reason when we see such kinds of error, so that means it's happening something wrong here. But here everything is right because del argument here delete the whole set. So if I just deleted the set and after that when I want to print the new set, it shows us it's not defined. That means it's already deleted. So it shows us nothing. So maybe, okay, we can also have some, I just wrote some, okay, exercise or maybe some examples that I love also to explain. I just write here two sets maybe. Okay, just I create a new set here. Maybe set 1 equal to, I just write some name, Sarah, John, me. Set 2 equal to Ronnie. I'm sorry, me. Okay, here I just wrote two set and set 3 set 1 dot intersection set 2. So print set 3. What happened? Here is a very nice thing we can also do in sets. So intersection, basically we already know about this topic, not from maybe our lesson, but we know about the intersection, what is between intersection. So in this set and the set 1 and set 2, only this meme we just see in the both set. So that intersection means it shows us only those elements that are present in the both set. Maybe we can also write here CM and here CM. So it definitely shows us both the name that is just present in the both sets. So this intersection and union is also possible. I will just see here another things. I just take this here. Okay, so maybe set 3. Also we can write set 1 union set 2 print set 3. So it shows us, yes, so union we also know it shows us all together all the elements that are in the both set. So it's also like concat, but it shows us only the meme one time and CM also one time. So already they ignored the duplicate values. So we can also do in the set. Those operations is also possible. So we already finished our sets. Maybe John meme set to equal to Ronnie. I'm sorry, name. Okay, here I just wrote to set and set 3. Set 1 dot intersection set 2. So print set 3. What happened? Here is a very nice thing we can also do in sets. So intersection, basically we already know about this topic, not from maybe our lesson, but we know about the intersection, what is between intersection. So in this set and the set 1 and set 2, only this meme we just see in the both set. So that intersection means it shows us only those elements that are present in the both set. Maybe we can also write here CM and here CM. So it definitely shows us both the name that is just present in the both sets. So this intersection and union is also possible. I will just see here another things. I just take this here. Okay, so maybe set 3. Also we can write set 1 union set 2 print set 3. So it shows us, yes, so union we also know it shows us all together all the elements that are in the both set. So it's also like concat, but it shows us only the meme one time and CM also one time. So already they ignored the duplicate values. So we can also do in the set. Those operations is also possible. So we already finished our sets. Maybe I just want to know if someone have any questions, or maybe have some just anything that also want to explain with us. So please. Okay. Oh, sorry. One another things I just want to show sets. We can also use the loops inside the set. Here we can also write a loop for x in set 1. So print x, it shows us all the elements that is in set 1. If we just write it set 2, so it shows us the elements that are inside the 2. So till now